How to verify your Uber account. In order to verify our Uber account, all we have to do is launch the Uber application and make sure that we're signed into our account. Once we are signed into our Uber app or the account, tap the account option located from the bottom right of the screen and you'll come to your profile page. From the top under your name, you can see an option called Not Verified. Tap on this little toggle that says Not Verified, which will take you to the page where you can verify your identity. You'll need to have a government issued ID, and after that you'll have a verified badge. So to choose your ID, tap the Choose ID option over here. You can choose a government ID and a live photo of yourself, or you can connect with your Clear account. Whichever is convenient for you, select that respective option and tap the Continue button. Allow the app to use your camera, and once done, take a picture of the front of your card. So take the photo of your document photo page. Some of the extra documents are driver's license, passport, or your citizenship ID, which is your ID card. So select that particular photo, and once done, you have to also verify your selfie, and once you verify your selfie, your Uber account will be successfully verified. This way you can verify your Uber account. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.